Hi everyone, this is Zack Jankowiak and this is my HCI 412 Composition 2 presentation. To begin making my final perspective rendering, I started by bringing my original sketches into Photoshop. I chose Photoshop because I knew that I would be working with a lot of textures to create realistic renderings of my cigar box. Next, using the pen tool, I created a simple version of my cigar box in grayscale to show the lighting. Then, using these wood and brass textures, I created several texture layers set to overlay as the wood grain went in different directions for each piece of the box. After that, I added details like text and logos on the cigar box and set them into perspective using the vanishing point filter and the Create a Plane tool to create grids that the details would snap to. Lastly, I added inner shadows and outer shadows to the cigar box. In my composition, I aim to achieve unity through several methods. The orthographic views are positioned in close proximity to show that they are related and are enclosed within a light blue rectangle. The perspective rendering is also partially within the blue rectangle, but also extends into the green background, with the purpose being to show how the orthographic elements were essential to the creation of the perspective view. Visual hierarchy is also established through the relative sizes of the perspective rendering and orthographic views. As such, the perspective rendering is emphasized by both its large size and contrast between the darker wood colors and the light blue and green background. Finally, a sense of horizontal balance can be seen when looking at how the blue rectangle takes approximately 2/3 of the space in the background, and the perspective rendering takes about 2/3 of the space in the foreground. Okay, everyone, thank you for your time, and that concludes my presentation.